Hey guys, Tiffany here with Have Fun in Nature, checking on plants, tending, see what I can do in this smoky weather. August 12th, 2026. You're looking at the Yellow Watermelon Challenge from the KMAC project. Wanted to give y'all a quick update because this might be the last update, guys. It got stuck in the fence early. I thought we would be fine, but there is something on the watermelon and it's stuck. It's hard and it's stuck in there and I don't want to pull it out. So I'm not sure if that's a bug, a disease, if we're going to get one. But it has been so much fun trying, and we will happy try again next year. Wish us luck, guys. If you know what this thing is, leave it in the comments. Again, it's black, it's hard, and it's stuck in the injured spot of our yellow watermelon. Thanks guys, have a great day.